Welcome back to Channel Wagwan Tours. We're here in Valletta. We just got off the ferry over. I took, 10 minutes? 15 minutes it says, but I think that was 10 minutes. And yeah, let's check this out there. So we've come from over there. If you've seen the videos, we went over there and we're here in Valletta Malta. And we've got cardiac heel now, yeah. So, look at this, says slippery when wet. Imagine making a pavement slippery when wet. I've ever heard of such nonsense. I watched the video. Obviously before you come out to these places and you do these tours, you watch other people's. And I saw someone who was saying that basically they put bathroom tiles on the floor. So they're super slippery. I don't think so. I just think they picked the wrong type of tiles for the floor. Wow. This is a steep hill. So we're going to have a quick beer since we just got here. Let's go over very quickly, catch our breath, look at a view, and we'll go up to where we go? Why not? Why not, eh? Let's go and check this view out. So, Valletta Marina. So yeah, we've just walked up that hill. You know what? Let's probably make a good thumbnail. Let's quickly do a thumbnail spinner. Come. Yeah, look at that thumbnail. So yeah, let's quickly show you over here quickly. So we've got to walk a different way. But yeah, that's the ferry we just came on. Cost £2.50-ish or €2.50. Which is not too bad, is it? £2.50.
What, 8 minutes, 10 minutes?
Yeah, it wasn't long at all. Check that out. People eating. Oh yeah. And you've got Valletta Cathedral up there. A lovely orange tree down there. But yeah, that's Salima over there. Got some luxury super yacht just around that corner. But yeah, let's keep going. Oh, let's keep going. So it makes me find it quite funny when people see me with my camera set up. So no one's ever seen anything like it before. So they see me walking around with a Insta 360 Flow Pro with a action camera. I don't think there's many vloggers with that setup. But makes this excellent stabilisation horizontally. It's also already got super stabilisation. But yeah, let's get back to that view. Check that view. What is that over there, guys? Someone tell me in the comments. What is that island over there? What is that one? Have we missed that off? Looks very fancy, doesn't it? Yeah. Huh? Oh. So check the old building out here. So today is a Sunday. Oh, look at this. Looks like they're building a lift down to the ferry. That'd be really good, the lift, when it's done. 1 second, Spin, I don't know if we've got up there. So yeah, check the old architecture out. And it's for sale as well. Let's see where we're going. Oh yeah, I was correct. I was good. No, don't do it, Sabrina. Come on, move. Sabrina's disgusting. She's taking a picture of a literal shit. She's disgusting. Right, so we're going up here. to the Why Not bar. Let's walk in. I was about to walk in the road, but let's walk in the road anyway. It's one-way system up here. So yeah, got a nice. What is that? Valletta. There's no way there. Very peaceful. Check that out. And that one, I got no. I was hoping for no heels today. Pray for no heels. I was praying for no heels, Sabrina. And all we got. Big heels everywhere. So just as you caught your breath, I'm coming up from the water, from the harbour. Oh well. San Juan Taverna. Oh, check that out. Very picturesque. Very nice. So, if you can, wow, look at that hill. The perspective of that hill, eh? And that sun smashes it. And the other side of that. Let's get going. We need a beer first. See that? Shuffle. Looks quite cool. Can't see inside because of the grass. Check this out, look. That's the hill we're walking up.
Still going.
This would be quite cool for night time, wouldn't it? It'd be like a, yeah, I was about to say, Barcelona in the old town. So look at that, lunch. 5 courses, 37 euro. 7 courses, 48. Oof.
It's got a Michelin though.
There's a Michelin star restaurant as well. Very nice. Oh, this one's very good as well. Oh, it's the same place, yeah. Check that out. Sneak you in there. So, check the hills of Valletta. Oh, we're actually here.
Oh, that one's there.
I know, that's what I said, it's a massive hill. A little electric car. So, it says we are here. And there we go. We're going to sit here, have a beer.
That's it.
Yep. So guys, make sure you subscribe, like and share, and I'll catch you on the next one.